everybody, I'm going to do a quick update on the biofilter. I'm on my phone camera today, so hopefully it isn't too shaky. I cleaned it out today, and what I'm finding out is I'm cleaning this about every 6 to 9 weeks. And the best way I found to do it is actually take all these bio balls, these right here, you know, just literally just scoop them out, and I put them in a clothes hamper. And the clothes hamper, then I put the clothes hamper on top of a raised bed. I got some food, you know, some garden stuff I'm growing outside. Then I just spray it off and I mix them around, and it gets all the stuff off of them and everything like that. You don't want to do it too much because you're knocking all your, you know, your beneficial bacteria, but they'll come back because all the media bed has the bacteria on in the underside of the raised beds and there. So one thing I do in this system here, I'm really glad I'm doing this system before I do the big one, because learning stuff I'd rather do. When I have the multiple tanks, I was going to have each tank have one 100-gallon container with these in when I have the big huge tank. I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to have 2 of these. I know it'll be an extra plumbing where it'll come from, you know, a solids removal, 2 one of these, 2 one of these and gone, or 1 of these. That way, if I clean one out, the one's always there going, and I never even have to shut the system down. I still might do 1 in each, but I'm coming to the conclusion having more smaller biofilters is better than having one big one. With the complete opposite of the solids removal. Whereas I'd rather have one big solids removal instead of a whole bunch of small little ones. That's why I went with this instead of like the radial flow or something like that, because this just scales up. So, and you can see down there, you know, dirty, clean, just so simple. I did have a question what material this is. That's an old sign, actually, an election sign. If I did it again, I wouldn't do that. I would just go get those white blind material, you know, with those inexpensive blinds you have, you know, you just pull down and they pull back up. I would just get one of them and just pull it down. Take it out at will, you know, to clean it. And the little seal gaps on the side, that's not that big a deal. And don't forget, what every greenhouse needs is a radio over there, and make sure if you listen, there you go, playing hockey. So anytime you can listen to hockey and work in a greenhouse, that's better yet. You can see the cabbage and cabbage and broccoli are doing good. So everything's doing great. And these are those little seedlings I planted. So they're not popped up yet. So, but my other video for that. And the cuttings over there are just doing great. So that's it. Grasshoppers just decimated this tomato plant, but they're not touching the Romas. So I guess we'll stick with the Romas. For some reason, they like that type of tomato. So that's it. I hope everybody has a great day.